Hello, my name is Evilog. I'm from Group ICT02XITN19. This module is Application Development Essential, which is my instructor is Miss Inshira. And today I'm going to present about shopping system. Before I begin this table of content, first is flow chart. Second is how the system works by using ERD. And lastly, where I get the reference from. So this is the flowchart. It start where the customer need a help account. If they account for specific website or application, for example AliExpress, if the customer already have an account, which is yes, they go straight to login. But if not, they need to create account. After the login or create account, that website have every category, for example clothes, bags, pants, and more. And each category have products where the customer can view each product, and when the customer is interesting, they can add to cart. Okay, I'm going to continue in the next slide. Slide 4. Okay, if yes, customer can make a payment, but if no, customer can continue shopping. If the customer make a payment and payment is unsuccessfully, the system will let the customer know the payment is unsuccessfully. But if payment is success, it will go to yes, which is seller will prepay order. And after order is already prepaid, it will give a tracking number. If the customer want to check their order located at, it will go to yes, which is check the order. But if customer doesn't want to check their order, it's no. This is the end of the flowchart. Slide 5. Entity Relationship Diagram, which is ERD. This is where the shopping system works. First, customer needs to log in or create an account. After they log in or create, that website has category, many category, and every one category has many products. Many products added to one cart where the customer make a single payment and payment for single card, which is one customer one card. After they make a payment, the seller will check a payment. If payment is success, if success, seller will prepay order from every card, which is one customer one card, and seller will prepay one card, and seller will give a tracking number for customer where the customer can check their order at. After seller give the tracking number to the customer, the order will be delivery straight to the customer. Okay, slide 6. This is the ERD diagram where each have their own entity. For example, customer has customer ID, which is primary key, names, contact, address, email. For login or create, it has customer ID, email, and password. Category have category ID, which is primary key, product ID, and name. For products table, products underscore ID, which is primary key, name, description, price, and brand. For card ID, which is primary key, type, and quantity. Total and quantity. For order has order ID, primary key, product ID, card ID, and quantity. For payment table has payment ID, primary key, card ID, type, and amount. For seller table has seller ID, primary key, name, and details. And lastly, tracking number has the track ID, order ID, and customer ID. And this is the last slide, reference. This way I get the reference of flowchart, and second is where I get the reference from ERD diagram. So that's it from me. Thank you.